Okay, go.
Live from English for Fun, I am going to turn something over to our lead scientists who have support for your health and safety.
Hello, parents. We are here because we have noticed a huge shortage of hand sanitizer all across
What?
Spain.
Hand sanitizer shortage? What are we going to do?
We will teach you how to make your own.
You mean kids in the 21st century can teach us how to make stuff? Yes, let's go.
So what you have to do is that you have to have some warm water.
Olivia, will you show us how? So first we have to turn the stove on.
Warm water. It's supposed to be a minute. Okay, got it. It's good. Got it.
Okay, so then we pour some water into
Pouring water in the pot on the burner. Yes?
Yes. Another easy substitute would be to use a sink. So, now we wait till the water has warmed up.
Okay, the water's warmed up.
So now what we do is that we wet our hands.
Be careful. Don't want too hot. Too hot.
Now what
This
we
is in
do-
case you
now-
have a hot water shortage.
Now what we shall do is take the spoon and put some delicately on our hands.
Soap on hands.
Then scrub
Scrub.
for 20 seconds.
Okay. Shall we sing a song?
Hands.
What song do you sing? Like A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Between the fingers. H, I, J, K.
L-M-N-O-P Q-R-S-T-U-V W-X-Y-and-Z. Now we know our ABCs. Now let's wash our hands, yippee.
Okay, so now we're gonna put our hands inside of the water. Be careful not to burn yourself. Try and rinse some like this.
Okay, separate water for each of you, right? Right?
Yes.
Okay, good. Now
In
go
my
ahead.
case-
Now the towel. What, the most important part. A clean towel. Right here. And what do you do with the clean towel afterwards, scientists?
You throw it.
Dispose
You recycle it.
You recycle it into this trash can.
Mm-hmm.
Foot pedal trash cans are best
What
for health and safety.
What I am going to do now is that I am going to wash my hands in the sink because we can't use the same water, remember?
Thank you, parents. Thank you, kids. Thank you, scientists. You're amazing. Bye-bye.
Bye.